That's so gross. Okay, you can see it pretty close. You don't need to do that.
Aha! I just bumped my tongue.
Gross. Can you open it up so we can see it? Ew. Oh my gosh, no, open up that side too. Oh my god.
That's what a taco looks like. If you ever buy it at Taco Bell, open it up sometime.
Have I ever what?
When you go to Taco Bell next
Bide?
time. What? There's the next time you buy something at Taco Bell, open it up and look at it.
I think you just said bide, and I got it on film so we can check.
I'm good. Your dog is very excited right now.
So am I.
You think like my leg. Stop!
Is it good?
I hate tacos. I don't know why.
Why did you eat it? You freak.
Try it, that's not too bad.